So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank on Google Ads. It's going to be a complete tutorial where you can just literally start making money. So guys, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Simple, straightforward, and no bullshit. Okay. And what time it is, it's time to make money. So please consider subscribing, and now let's get back to the video. So guys, as you could see right now over here, currently the product which I'm promoting is this one, Icaria juice. Again, it's like this, Icaria lean belly juice. This is a weight loss product, and again, you know, it's December, people are crazy about weight loss products, and this is the best time to promote weight loss. Plus, again, there's gonna be a lot of competition, but again, if you are with me, you have an upper hand and you can make much more sales. Just to be clarifying it, I just made a sale for around $362. Again, the same method. Currently this is my landing page right now over here. This is my domain and this is my landing page. And if you would like to learn how to create the best high converting landing page, I've created a video, and I think so it's gonna be on the top right corner as well. This is my Google Ads account. What you have to do is just create a new campaign, and hardly it takes you 2 minutes, and then you can start making money. Go on website traffic. I can just go on continue. I can go on search, continue. I'll do as Ikera test campaign. Okay, you can name the campaign whatever you want. Click on continue. Okay, so now the keywords which I'm gonna do is I can go on 19. Okay, weight and week. Yeah, I can just go over here, literally. Okay, we can see a lot of ads over here as well. Okay, so all you have to do is just come back over here. Okay, go back. Literally the best thing which you could do is just copy this whole thing, paste it over here. Okay, remove this down. Okay, so you get all of these things. It's fine, all good. Or the next best thing what you could do is literally go over here. Okay, just click on seller contact. Okay, just message him, give me the best converting keyword, and he would reply you back as well. So this is the best way to approach it. So literally one of the examples I could give you for another product is, again, when I did ask them, they did send me all the keywords and targeting. So they give you everything. So they give you literally like these are the keywords which are converting. So they give you everything over here. So literally, again, you can just ask them, or else you can just literally do this. Okay, and now again, all you have to do is again put my final URL. This is my final URL. Just paste it over here. Okay, lose weight. Okay, and then again, literally all you have to do is literally that's what I did. So again, this is how I wrote the ad copy. Again, how to get rid of belly fat, lose belly fat naturally, how to lose lower belly fat. Again, you can create different combination, and then you can come over here as well, best belly fat supplement or stomach fat burner, whatever it is. All you have to do once this is done, again, I'm not going to show you how to create call outs, site links. The reason for that is I've created a free course. It's on yavarkhan.com. Again, it's a free affiliate marketing course. You can join that. So it's loading. Yeah, so this is a free course where you can just join it, and it will explain you everything. But let's get back to the video. So now again, I'm not going to show you site links, call outs, and again, you can add more of these, and it can help you get more click-through rate, which means you're going to get more chances of getting more sales, more click on your ads, and more sales. For me, conversions, what I would do is I would do on clicks, set the maximum cost per click. I'm gonna do $1. Networks and location, I would just turn this off. Location, just choose United States, tier 1 countries. So again, if I go on tier 1 countries, United States, UK, again, these are the tier 1 countries. Add that. Okay, so I'm gonna just do United States for now. Okay, once that's done, language is English, show more. Again, that's it. Click on next. And I think so that's it, guys. Once this is done, okay, not all health products in some country allowed if otherwise certified by Google and only target approved countries. Okay, just go on next. It's checking for errors. So again, yeah, so now everything is clear. There were some keywords which required some license where it had supplements like fat loss supplements, so I removed those keywords. But now again everything looks good. Again, just publish the campaign, and again I'll get 514 clicks for around $117, average CPC of 23. But again, as you could see, I've kept it as $1. So again, these are my ads right now, and again just wait for it, and again you're gonna get sales. And I think so that's it for today's video, guys. If you would like to learn more about tracking links, about how to create a landing page, I've created a free course. The link is down below. Go and check it out, and please consider subscribing if you found this valuable. And Yavar Khan signing off.